Why does your scanner show the P0845 engine code? What does it mean? P0845 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch B circuit. It indicates the PCM or ECM has detected an issue with the electrical signal from this sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch. Wiring issues. Transmission fluid problems. Internal transmission issues. Faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Mercedes, and Chevy. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.